Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to download documents as separate files within a zip folder in BoldSign. BoldSign provides users with the flexibility to download documents individually as separate files within a zip folder, rather than as a single combined file when multiple documents are uploaded for signing. This feature is particularly valuable in scenarios where separate handling of documents is required for clarity, compliance, or organizational purposes. It is important to note that this feature is only available to users on paid plans. Let's consider a scenario where an HR manager needs to send an employee several documents for onboarding at once, including offer letters, employment contracts, and policy acknowledgments. Once the employee completes the onboarding process, the HR manager needs to download these documents. Instead of downloading a single combined document, he needs to download each document separately. This allows him to distribute specific documents to relevant departments and maintain organized individual records for each type of document. This approach ensures efficient processing and compliance with internal documentation policies. Let me demonstrate how the HR manager would do that in detail. The HR manager's first step is to establish the default method for downloading documents as separate files, ensuring its uniform application across all users within the organization. To do this, I first access the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose the business profile to navigate to the business profile page. Only the account admin can access the business profile settings. Next, I scroll down to the document download section. Here, I need to specify the way of downloading completed documents. In this case, I am going to specify the individual download method for documents. To do this, I click the document download option drop-down and select the individually option. I proceed to save my changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Now when users download completed documents, the documents will be downloaded as separate documents in a zip folder. After this is set as default, the users can also change it when creating the signature request. Let me demonstrate how that works. I click Create New and select the Create New Document option. This takes me to the Prepare Document page. On this page, I upload the onboarding documents in the Add Files section. Once done, I enter the employee's details in the Add Recipient section. I then move to the Document Settings section. Here in the Download Document option, the default method set in the business profile settings is displayed as the default option. If a user needs to change the option, they can change it here. After ensuring everything is in order, I click the Next button. This takes me to the Configure Field page. Here I drag and drop all the required fields onto the documents. I then check my changes once and send the document out for signature. This is how the download option can be set. After the employee has completed the signing process of the documents, the HR manager can now download the completed documents as separate files in a zip folder. Let me show you how to go about this. I expand the Documents menu and choose My Documents. I locate the document needing downloading. To download the documents, I hover over the document and click the Download Document icon, or I can click the Context menu and choose the Download Document option. The document will be downloaded shortly. The zip folder is downloaded, and the onboarding documents are downloaded as separate files. The HR manager can then distribute each completed document to relevant departments and maintain organized individual records for each type of document. That summarizes how to download documents separately in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.